Okay, welcome to my channel. This is the Craft With Me journal kit. So we're heading in the home stretch. I think we got one or two more left. So let us jump right in. And this time we're going to go right to the middle. And so we have this little thing. It says notes. I'm going to stick that here. And I'm going to leave it open so that we can stick a little note in there if we like. And I'll just grab a little piece of paper and so we can put a little note in there. So I'll just put this one, actually, yeah. I'm going to grab another one of these and just put it back to back so they stick together. I have these great ideas and then they don't work out. Okay, so there we go. We have our little note. Okay, there we go. Now, this is the middle. I would like to do, I'm going to cut these off, not all, just leave them about 3-4 inches long and cut those off. Then I am going to glue two sides like this, like that, and then we're going to be making a journaling card for in there. So I am going to make a little tab, finger tab, I think that's what they call it. Oh, come on. And it doesn't want to cut. This paper, it's thin enough to cut. I don't know why it wouldn't cut. It did cut, but it wanted to be a little stubborn, of course. So I'm going to slip a piece of paper in here. And then I'm going to de-stress the edges like it is so. Yeah, we're coming in towards the home stretch here. I hope my camera doesn't shut down because of storage. It's being a little temperamental with storage lately because I've been filming back to back, as you can probably see by my nails. They're still the same color. Okay, so that's that. Now we're gonna grab the card for which we're gonna make in here. Yes, so that will fit. That will fit perfectly. And we're gonna cover the back up with paper. Okay, I'm gonna take this out of here. I hope we don't get a glare. Probably. Okay, let's get out our big glue. I filled it up. And we should be good to go for a while. Okay, get out of here. Get out of here, glue. And again, I lost my bone folder, of course. Luckily, I have like 4 or 5 of them. When I lose one, I just grab another one. Grab another one. And then all of a sudden, I find them all. So then I put them where they're supposed to be. And, yeah. But I know I've lost some in the garbage. I know that has happened to me. Because The one time I was completely out and I could not find any on the floor, nowhere. Or I left them in a journal or something that I sold. Something happened. Something funny happened. I know it did. So I'm going to stick this one on just for interest. To have a little extra writing. And I didn't want to have it on this side. I wanted to have it on the other side. So I need to cut this off here. Like that. And I wanted to have it on this side where I had put the paper. Like this. And this paper is like from a little, like a telephone book. It says telephone, fax number, and that kind of thing. So that is that. And I'm just going to cut the bottom off here too. And then round my corners, wherever it may be. There we go. Okay. Now, what am I going to put on here? Boy, my choices are getting kind of limited what I'm going to use. But you can always add stuff later, you know. As I'm going to be journaling in here, I'll add stuff. So it'll be fine. You know what? I'm going to do collage on here. That's what I'm going to do. That is what I'm going to do. And I have this cool paper yet left. So I'm just going to rip some of that up like this and like that. And there we go. Cool, cool. And here. See, it just comes to me. I'm like all out of ideas and then boom, I have an idea. That excites me when that happens. And we'll grab something from here. And now we need a little paper here. And one there. What are we going to put there? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. We'll do this. Who would say that this was a pineapple? Nobody. Ooh, it's sticking to me. It is sticking to me, though. There we go. And then we will just cut it out all pretty. And 2 seconds ago, I had no idea what I was going to do. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. My scissor is going to need a bath because it is full of glue. Yes. Okay, so now we have this before us. Very nice. I like it. I like it a lot. Now I'm going to use get a little pull, a little pull thing. I'm going to glue this on. So this is half of a doily that, I don't know if yours will be purple, but this one's purple.